How's it going, everybody? It's me, your boy, playing the new Fire Emblem 3 Houses. Normal, hard. Please. Is that even a question? Casual or classic? Classic. Every decision counts. That one sounds fun. Oh, look, a little flower. This is probably the bad guy. I mean, if you come down in a fiery inferno, yeah, see, that's clearly the bad guy. He's got the evil sword and everything. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Here we go. The fight we all wanted. The showdown we've been waiting for. Well, at least she didn't kill a flower. Oh, what's she doing now? Oh, street rules. Get him. Get him. Get him. Yeah. Finish him. Yeah. Oh. Okay. It's turned dark pretty quick. I didn't expect that. Yay! We won! Oh, what's going on now? Okay. Now we have a lolly in the game.
Oh my. What could have brought you here?
That's a good question. Why am I here? Okay, so this is the part where I can pick whether male or female. Obviously, since I'm male, I will pick the male one. However, I don't have to pick that one. I'll pick the male.
Just outside the village.
Okay, before y'all say anything, yes, I know, I picked the girl. Shut up. It was my choice. Okay, here we go. Finally, some real gameplay here. Okay, tutorial. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, I got it. Ooh. What? I killed him in one hit. Oh, enemy phase. Oh. They didn't do anything. Another tutorial. It's about the terrain. Okay. Yes. Hide in the bushes. They miss me. Okay, got it. Ooh. What? Okay, you got 13 you hit. But you also took 5s. What's up with that? Oh. What? I'm in the bushes. You're supposed to miss. Let's see. Oh, there you go.
Your defeat was inevitable.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, man. Trying to redeem yourself. See? Why couldn't you do that before? Huh? Can I please play the game without looking at all these tutorials? Oh, he missed. See? See? Because I was in the bushes. Wait, no, I'm not. Oh, finally he does something. But first, let's look at those tutorials, how to do that. Well, that's very rude. What? See, I'm in the bushes and he hits me. This game's broken. What's he gonna do? If he hits me, oh my god. What are y'all doing? Okay, here comes my ally. Okay, he's coming in on the horse. Here we go. What? You missed? How did you miss? You're on a giant horse. Okay, let me show you how a real player does it. See? I'm winning now. What? Level 2! Man, I'm awesome at this game. Oh, he's not dead. Wait. Oh my god, guys. I have the power of the world.
You threw yourself before an axe to save just one young girl.
That's right.
Yeah, I must turn back the hands of time.
You can do that? Okay, so it's not...
Yes, I
It's a
do
different
believe it can
world.
be done. Now go. Yes, you who bears the flames within. Drift through the flow of time to find the answers that you seek.
I feel like she just made up that whole entire sentence. Approaching me was your first mistake.
And how about you, kid? Are you the captain's child?
Honestly, I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't think it ever explained that in the entire time I've been playing.
That would be because you ran off.
Too true. I was the first to make a strategic retreat.
Ah.
Everything would have worked out if these
I
two
see he is familiar with the Joestar secret technique.
Because of where does your allegiance lie?
By
It
allegiance?
seems one's place of birth is quite significant.
I don't know. I mean, I just met you people. Oh, I have to pick. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I don't even know what these mean. Holy Kingdom? Alliance? Empire? I don't understand how this game is just going to give me all these options to choose from when I have no idea who or what these people represent. You know what? This game is not that great. So, I just found out if you tilt the controller side to side, you can control which direction the little character moves. This is the best game ever.